Wealth not only grants you access to the infinite pleasures of the world, but it also gives you peace of mind that you don't have to work day in and day out to make a healthy, peaceful, and prosperous living. It gives you financial freedom and free time that you can use to pursue happiness. Though generating wealth by 30s is not so easy, but in this video we will tell you few tricks which if you follow, you will surely become rich by your 30s. Number 1. Take risks. Behind every huge profits, there are big risks too, but one thing to note here is not taking risks blindly. Even Elon Musk takes huge risks, but his profits are also very big. The point is that do a proper research before any big investments. Always look how big the profit can be, then only take the risk. And always take calculated risks. If you have $1,000 in your bank account, invest only 10%, that is $100 if you find the company too much risky. If you smell big profits, then invest $300, but never invest not more than 30% of your capital. Number 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is more than just acquiring stocks and bonds. When you make conscious decisions to invest in your financial well-being, health, career, and interests, you set yourself up for success in the future. Invest in yourself doesn't mean you will invest on your luxurious lifestyle. Instead, it means investing in your healthy lifestyle. You can learn some skills like business management, stock market skills, investing skills, and etc. Then use these skills properly in correct time, you will see that you generated huge wealth in just no time. Before moving to the video, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and also press the like button. Now let's move on to our video. Number 3. Start your own business. Working for others is very annoying. Not only you have limited income but also limited opportunities. Almost 99% of millionaires have their own business. So start planning about your business from your 20s, and by age of 25, you must start your own business. This will not only give you self-satisfaction but also add a lot in your bank account. Number 4. Try to build passive income sources. Having a passive income is very important. It will help you to earn money without doing any work. Successful people always try to create passive incomes for their backups. These incomes will help you as a backup in case of emergencies. Creating a passive income source is very easy. Stock market, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing are some easiest passive income sources that will keep giving you money in future. Number 5. End debts and start saving. Always keep a key rule in your life, that is, to end your debts and start savings. A debt-free person is always free and open-minded. He doesn't have any sort of financial fears. As a whole, he can lead his life happily. So that's why I always suggest you to end your debts first and then get into big investments or big businesses. And also give priority to saving. These savings will also help you to get rich quickly. For doing a proper saving, you need to maintain a proper budget and you will have to track your expenses regularly. Don't buy anything in emotional situations. It is seen that people spend recklessly when they are sad or depressed. Also limit restaurant food and start carrying lunch from home. It will help you to control your expenses and ultimately help you to do a proper saving. Number 6. Choose friends wisely. Having a good friend circle is very important as it affects your mind and lifestyle. If you have friends who always are obsessed with their looks, then you might land up yourself in trouble. Many times, you could feel under pressure from some of your friends to purchase an expensive dress for only a night out or trip. Or you may be invited to an expensive party or something. All of this will only add to your budget's expenses. So make friends with people who share your interests so that each of you can contribute something unique to the group. Number 7. Stop believing of getting overnight success. Never expect of getting overnight success. This success is not permanent. None of the successful people believe in overnight success. Yes, we see some people getting rich overnight. But it is actually not overnight. Maybe they got the success in one night, but their 365 days of hard work is not seen by anyone. If you continuously think of getting overnight success, then you may not get it, and instead, you will get furious on not getting it, and then you will also stop your work. You will also get demotivated if you don't get this kind of success after thinking about it for long. So never ever think or expect of an overnight success. Number 8. Consider a role model. Having a role model keeps you motivated and inspires you during challenging times. Your role model is always in your mind, and you know what you want to become and which path to take. You can follow in their footsteps to take the least amount of risk and achieve success. That's all for today. Hope you would be able to become rich by your 30s. Do subscribe our channel for more such contents, and do like this video if you got to know something new.